Ever got feelings for a fellow delegate or executive board member?
Ah, why did you have to bring that up?
Yes. Hi everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of Control plus Alt plus Youth, the podcast where we don't just reboot conversations, we reimagine what young voices can do. I'm your host, Rachit. This week on the TVF podcast, we've been joined by someone who's not just made waves in the MEN circuit, but has made her platform of her own. She's the founder of the Trinetra Youth Forum, a second-year political science honors student studying at Daulat Ram College, Delhi University. Shivangi Sushma, welcome to the Control plus Alt plus Youth. It's such an honor to have you here.
Thank you so much. More than grateful to be present here and really excited to kickstart this.
All right. Everyone knows Shivangi Didi. Shivangi Didi को सब जानते हैं. Mostly MUN circuit में जो भी है, they already know Shivangi Didi. But इन सब के पीछे भी ना एक स्टूडेंट है, एक बच्चा है, जो भी सीख रहा है, जो सोच रहा है कि उसको चीज़ें करनी कैसे अपनी आगे लाइफ में. तो मेरा शिवांगी दीदी से सिर्फ यही क्वेश्चन होगा. शिवांगी दी, what sparked this journey for you? How did Trinetra actually start? बना कैसे ये सब? आप यहाँ पर पहुँचे कैसे इस मुकाम पर?
Right. पहला बात तो I don't think so a lot of people know me in the circuit, but हाँ, I am really grateful because मुझे जितने लोग जानते हैं, मतलब you, my team, and some of my really nice friends in the circuit, my seniors, my mentors, I have been really grateful in terms of the quality of people that I've gotten in the circuit, and that has inspired me to learn a lot. जहाँ तक की बात है TYF start करने की, basically what my first learning was that I have to learn how things are done, and then only I can get on to create something of my own. So my first lesson came when I was doing the novices, of course, with the Kashish Gumbar.
I've been there.
Kashish Di, right, you were also there. So I've learned a lot under her. I've started from being the Deputy Secretary General to then being the President, like a lot. And Kashish Di has always trusted me with things because she knew that even if I am not very well aware of how things work in the Delhi MUN circuit, at least I'm very professional in the things that I do. या मैं जो भी काम पकड़ूं, भले अगर logistics का हो, sponsorship का हो, कुछ भी हो, she knows that I put in my all and do it.
मतलब हमने देखा है शिवांगी दीदी को काम करते हुए on ground she is very hard working. Very hard working.
Thank you so much. But वही बात है कि वो थोड़ी चीज़ें सीखते and I personally belong to the Jharkhand circuit because I have been born and brought up in Ranchi. So what happened there was I have learned it all through my own. जब online चल रहा था Delhi में circuit because of the COVID, I guess that was a very big advantage for the students जो छोटे towns में थे, because then these online circuits started. That is when I met Kashish Di, that is when I met most of my seniors there, and I delegated, then I began to chair, I began to train students. In Jharkhand, I've trained more than 5,000 students up till now in DPS, because that is where I started in 11th and 12th, and overall. And we are also starting things in Jharkhand so that more and more students to get to know about it. So when I was working with Kashish Di, I had lots of experiences in different fields, like schools में कैसे बात करते हैं, बच्चों को train कैसे करते हैं, and then I was at the same time studying in college. तो बहुत सारे experiences combine करके पता नहीं क्यों मेरे अंदर से वो एक चीज़ आई कि why not start a conference where thing is not just about MUN or children working with me getting in delegates. Imagine like if it would have been a normal conference, me and you would have never been sitting here and doing it. Definitely. Right?
कोई और normal को honestly speaking कोई और MUN कोई podcast नहीं कराएगा कभी भी.
Right. So my point is I wanted my children who are working with me to learn things. इसीलिए I thought of creating a youth forum where we do MUN for the major part, but I also wanted to train students as to how you handle different departments, handle different parameters of the conference that is taken into consideration. How do you work on your skills? Because at the end of the day we know कि circuit में quality थोड़ी degrade करते जा रही है, and that is being said by our seniors and mentors as well. So I wanted कि अगर वो हमें कुछ सिखा कर गए हैं तो मैं भी कुछ पास ऑन करूँ, और वो तभी हो सकता है जब हम चीज़ें सिस्टमेटिकली सिखाएं. एंड सिखाने के लिए सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल MUN कॉन्फ्रेंस कराना लाइक इज़ नॉट रिकमेंडेड, बिकॉज देन आप सिर्फ बच्चों को डेलीगेट्स के लिए प्रेशराइज करते हो. सो TYF का आइडिया वहाँ से मेरे दिमाग में आया, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज बैक्ड बाय my crazy friends, my co-founders, my entire core team, Sarthak, Gunika, Vanshika, Apurva, all my friends and everyone. And we named the conference over a dinner conversation where we were having pizza.
Oh, really?
Right. This suddenly started. It all traced back to a trip that we had in Kasol, just like 15 to 20 days prior. And there we were just laughing and saying, "Ki, what if we guys open a conference of our own? That would be so fun. We would be handling things on our own. We would, keep children all cool and everything."
तो basically आपने त्रिनेत्र खाना खाते खाते पार्टी करते करते सोचा.
Right. Kasol mein we were just kidding about it, but then this thing started taking a serious form in my head. And I was not discussing it with my friends because मेरे को लग रहा था कि नहीं अब सबके academic commitments है, we are about to leave the circuit very early. But then a pizza conversation and then we started imagining कि अगर हम अपनी conference खोलते तो हम क्या नाम रखते. Then we started with things. We wanted to name it something relating with Shivji because all of us believe in him a lot and we believe he is the person, he is the entity doing
The one
everything.
doing everything.
Right.
That's so true.
So हमने ऐसे decide करते करते फिर सोचा कि त्रिनेत्र youth forum would be cool and it was
I mean, it is
very
cool.
random.
It is cool.
Right, very random. Came out of a snap, and then just things started. The next day I was like, I called Sarthak, I called Gunika, and I said ki, can you guys come to my flat? Because half of the time we're just hanging out together.
I've seen that.
Right. So they came to the flat and Parth also came with his laptop and everything and we started designing the logo. Because nothing was planned and we just started doing it randomly.
So basically
But-
you just started doing. मतलब करने लग गए. मतलब ये नहीं सोचा कि क्या
Right.
होगा क्या नहीं होगा.
And I believe that is how things come out the
That is
most
how-
beautiful
yes,
way.
definitely.
Because जब आप चीज़ें randomly करते हो और आप चीज़ों में believe करते हो and you just believe on the process and not the result, that is when the things come
That
out to
is
be
when
most
things-
beautifully. Because this entire podcast idea also came out that way. Ki,
Bilkul.
what if we do something new and everything, and then we just started thinking about, and of course all of you guys, my team is responsible for this. But yeah, that is how TYS actually started.
Such a beautiful journey, man. Such a beautiful journey.
Right.
My second question to you is, what actually drew you to the MUN space, and do you think it actually shaped the leader and the speaker that you are today?
What drew me to the MUN space? I was in class 9th
Oh.
in Ranchi, and I did my first MUN back when I was in 9th standard, and I played Mayawati in AIPM committee, and it had something to do with Article 370 is what I remember,
I see.
and that was a very bad experience. Trust me, I cried after the first day. I went back home and I cried.
So basically पहले दिन गए करा और and you started crying.
Right, because I was very nervous. मतलब आधी चीजें प्रोसेस नहीं हो रही थी कि ये हो क्या रहा है. Neither were we given any training. ना एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड ने कुछ समझाया था, कुछ नहीं पता था. And there were some very senior members sitting in my committee back then, Mayank Goyal and everyone, and they were all very nice debaters. And पता नहीं कुछ सब मेरे पीछे पड़ गए थे. And it was like वो टारगेट करके point of
Oh.
information पूछना. And I was all like in a situation कि कहाँ से निकलूँ, कैसे निकलूँ, क्या करूँ, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. फिर I went back home that day and then I did my research all way properly because I was like I can't lose, I cannot lose, no one wants to lose.
Nobody. True.
So the next day that I went, I did pretty nice then, and तब हुआ था ऐसा कि मैंने कोई एक क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा पूछा था मयंक भैया से and he was representing Asaduddin Owaisi. So then when we came down for lunch, I guess, then Mayank भैया congratulated me and said कि तूने क्या question पूछा था. And then that was, I guess, that is always going to be
That's
my
an achievement, bhai.
kickstart because
Genuine.
I'm doing my MUN for the first time and then a senior member comes and applauds and says that you were really nice with your speech and your content and your question. So I got very woke. Okay, I can do this. And for the next entire day I debated very nicely. And I guess that was the reason कि 2 दिन की committee में एक दिन पूरा चुप होने के बाद भी I got verbal mention. So that was my first committee first award. And that's always going to be special. So that was the day I tasted diplomacy for the first time. I tasted this format of debating for the first time, and मुझे इतना मजा आया था. That is when I realized कि I want to do it again. And if I want to do it again, I want to keep doing it. Then I started delegating. I delegated a lot. I delegated the entire Delhi circuit online. For the major part of it, Kashishdi in the Delhi circuit, Kashishdi was my first executive board member. I did a CSW committee and I remember Shwetang Bhaiya वगैरह सब डेल करने आए हुए थे उस कमिटी में. And again I got very stressed out and overwhelmed, right? कि भाई ये क्या हो रहा है again. But Kashishdi explained things so nicely. Like literally, she explained each and every part of the ROP, rules of procedure, and everything. So I guess that is one thing that helped me kickstart my journey. So when I think from the shoes of, you know, a student who is doing it for the first time, that is what I imagine it for them to be. Ki when they are doing something, it has to be really nice and soothing and comfortable experience for them, and not something that they do with a lot of haphazard and everything कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, and they're all stressed out कि उनको लगे ही नहीं कि उनका पहला MUN experience को experience था. So that is the first thing, and of course I guess that has made me an excellent public speaker, because I've been doing extemporaries, debates, MUNs, all of it again and again, and has helped me get over my public fear and stage fear also. Like I also do theatre now, and I do it on streets, on stage with a lot of audience. So like
I mean,
it
उसके लिए
has,
काफी guts चाहिए.
right,
It's not
it
easy.
has to play a lot of you know, a major part of it is shaped by MUNs and everything.
बट डोंट यू थिंक कि एक बच्चा जो अपने फर्स्ट डे पर MUN अटेंड करने गया एंड शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग फ्रॉम देयर, दैट जर्नी कि आप स्ट्रीट पे जाके नुक्कड़ नाटक कर रहे हो, यू आर डूइंग थिएटर, यू आर डूइंग प्लेस, डोंट यू थिंक कि बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी जर्नी है? तो उसके अंदर आपके पास करेज कहाँ से आया, आपको विल पावर कहाँ से मिली?
I guess it has to somewhat go back to my friends and my teachers in school, because Ranchi is a small town.
Definitely,
There we do things, and the teachers there are very encouraging, very supportive of us, because they want us to do things, to learn new things, and to help ourselves grow. So I was in DPS Ranchi, and I had really amazing teachers. One of Shruti ma'am has been she's been less of my teacher, more of my best friend. And I've cried, I've ranted and everything in front of her, even when I started doing MUNs. So right, so there was this point where once in the classroom we were sitting, it was her class, political science की class चल रही थी, and Shruti ma'am literally said it in front of the entire class कि किसी दिन मेरे फोन लॉग में मेरे हस्बैंड का कॉन्टैक्ट मिसिंग हो सकता है, कि उनका फोन नहीं आया, शिवांगी का हो ही नहीं सकता है. शी हैज टू कॉल मी एवरी डे एंड गिव मी ऑल द लोर कि आज ये किया, ये किधर डेलीगेट किया, ये अवार्ड आया, ऐसा आया, वैसा आया, and she used to be really proud of me. And you know, one point where I realized that I've come a long way is I had my birthday on 8th March. So like very 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 close friend of mine, and also my roommate Apurva, she had put up an Instagram story on a private account where she had put up a photo of us chairing together mock parliament, and it was a picture of way back in DPS when both of us were in 12th standard, and I was sitting and I was chairing and I was listening to the speeches, noting down the verbatim and marking everything. So she had put up that photograph as the story, and she had written from delegating and chairing conferences to opening your own. So you've come a really long way, and I'm very proud of you.
ओके सो आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट्स जो ना बहुत ज़्यादा इंटिमिडेट हो जाते हैं MUN से, और उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि ये एक बहुत बड़ी बला है, उन्हें बहुत डर लगता है इससे. तो व्हाट वुड योर एडवाइस बी टू दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट?
I guess I'm not a very very experienced person to tell them everything about it, because I myself am learning some things. I'm delegating still, I'm still doing executive board. But I guess the first part where you know get out of your fear is जब आपका एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड अच्छा होता है, या जब आपका ट्रेनर अच्छा होता है, जब वो आपको प्रॉपर्ली आरोपी समझाए और आपके 100 डाउट्स भी ले, और ये बोल के ले कि no doubt is a silly doubt, no doubt is a you know out of nowhere doubt, everything is connected, ask questions. I guess that is one of the points. And secondly, वो जो डर होता है ना, वो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि कभी कभी आप ऐसे कमिटीज में बैठे होते हो जहाँ पे there are not just people of your age, there are people like तुमसे बड़े, बहुत बड़े, working professionals in colleges doing their masters and everything. And MUNs are solely that format of debate जहाँ पे हर एज ग्रुप के बच्चे साथ बैठ के डिबेट करते हैं. क्योंकि तुम कन्वेंशनल डिबेट ले लो, पार्लियामेंट्री डिबेट ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो, there are very less you know areas where these age criteria do not work, and only MUN is one format of debating I feel जहाँ पे नहीं काम करता. I have seen kids of like 6th standard, 7th standard, and they do so well in the committees, like at par with the people in college, because MUNs में आपका experience matter करता है, आपकी age नहीं. तो कितने बच्चे ऐसे जो 7th या 8th grade में होते हैं and they have had around like 25 to 30 MUN experiences, and कितने college first year grade, second year grades होते हैं जिन्होंने आज तक एक भी नहीं किया. तो जब वो ऐसे 6-7 ग्रेड के बच्चे से जाएंगे तो भले ही उनको ज़्यादा पता हो या कुछ भी हो, बट अवार्ड 6-7 ग्रेड का बच्चा आएगा। तो वो इसीलिए बिकॉज वो एक्सपीरियंस आता है कि तुम बोल कैसे रहे हो, तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, तुम क्वेश्चंस कितने कॉन्फिडेंटली ले रहे हो एंड एवरीथिंग। तो इंटिमिडेट होने की जगह अगर आपको पता चल रहा है कि आपका फर्स्ट कमिटी भी है और आपको लग रहा है कि इतने सारे लोग आए हुए हैं, मेरा अवार्ड नहीं आना, तो नॉट एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट अवार्ड। ऑब्जर्व कि तुमसे बड़े लोग, एक्सपीरियंस लोग डिबेट कैसे कर रहे हैं, हाउ आर दे डिबेटिंग, हाउ आर दे टेकिंग अप क्वेश्चंस, हाउ आर दे आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस, एंड यू लर्न। द मोर यू लर्न, द मोर यू एक्सपीरियंस, द मोर यू ग्रो, एंड द मोर यू स्टॉप गेटिंग इंटिमिडेटेड बाय थिंग्स। दैट इज वन एडवाइस दैट सर्किट का हर एक सीनियर मेंबर देते हैं, चाहे जितने भी सीनियर्स हो, they are, all of them are delegating, sharing, all of it would give the same advice, like be it Kashdi, be it Ronak Bhaiya, anyone would they always give the same advice.
तो basically आप what you are saying is कि जब तक आप इस चीज़ को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस नहीं लोगे, जब तक आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप उस चीज़ में इंडल्ज होने की कोशिश नहीं करोगे, तो you cannot do anything like that. तो you need to involve yourself.
Exactly my point. वो मेरा entire point ही वही है कि TYF भी इसीलिए लॉन्च हुआ कि MUN कराना है और अच्छा MUN कराना है, अच्छे ट्रेनर्स रखना है, अच्छे एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड मेंबर्स रखना है, जो बच्चे सेक्रेटेरिएट में काम करना है उनको ऑर्गेनाइजिंग पार्ट भी सिखाना है, ये भी दिखाना है कि डेलीगेट्स को क्वालिटी कैसे डिलीवर करते हैं, क्या डिफरेंट फेयर्स है जहाँ हम काम कर सकते हैं। तो जब तक आप एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करोगे आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि आप कोई चीज़ कितना अच्छा कर सकते हो। If you would not have been sitting here interviewing me, how would you know that you could actually host a podcast?
Yes, definitely.
And how would I know that I can actually deliver a
Answer
podcast?
all my questions.
Right. It's because we are trying and experimenting things and we are not afraid of people. कि 4 लोग क्या सोचेंगे, वो जो 4 लोग सोचने वाले होते हैं ना, उतना इंसान खुद ही सोच लेता है कि वो 4 लोग क्या सोचेंगे, तुम खुद ही सोच ले रहे हो, तो फिर उनके पास सोचने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं बचता है। तो and then ultimately people's judgments actually do not matter. Because at the end of the day, no one is living your life and you're not in a race कि तुम intimidate हो। मतलब लगता है कि हम सब एक ही स्टार्टिंग लाइन पे खड़े हैं, एक ही रेस में भाग रहे हैं, बट देन सबके गोल्स अलग है, तो सबके रास्ते भी तो अलग है। तो फिर कोई आगे है तो कोई पीछे है, तो फिर वो क्यों मैटर करता है? फिर वो रेस है ही नहीं। सब अपने अपने लाइफ में खुद प्रोसेस करें। जैसे हम कुछ बहुत सक्सेसफुल लोगों को देखते हैं तो हम हो जाते हैं कि भाई इतना कैसे, हाउ आर दे डूइंग सो ग्रेट इन लाइफ। मुझे कितने जूनियर्स आके मेरे बोलते दीदी कैसे इतना मैनेज कर रहे हैं ऐसे। No one knows the actual struggle. No one knows the actual struggles that a person is going through. कि वो कितना सीख रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं। And जिन लोगों को देख के लगता है कि भाई कुछ नहीं कर रहे लाइफ में, उनको भी नहीं पता होता ना कि वो कैसे उस चीज़ से डील कर रहे हैं। कि they want to do something but they are confused कि proceed कैसे करेगा everything. So everyone is still discovering, doing their things. कोई भी बहुत बड़ा नहीं है. Everyone is still in the learning process. तो intimidate होने वाला कोई चीज़ ही नहीं है. As long as you have nice people around you, nice seniors around you.
You have guidance.
Right, you get the guidance and you just slay it. You will slowly learn, you experience and you grow.
So it's a slow process.
It's a slow process, a gradual process.
Gradual process.
So first hand experience जब तक नहीं लोगे चीज़ों का, things are not going to go well.
MUN से थोड़ा हटके, what's the one thing that you do? What's the one habit that you have, even in serious setting, जो एक unprofessional है, काफी unprofessional habit है आपकी?
That अनप्रोफेशनल हैबिट तो कोई नहीं है, बट ऐसे सीरियस सेटिंग में अगर कुछ कर दूँ वैसा करने से, तो दैट इज मोस्टली कि पीपल थिंक दैट आई ओवरशेयर एंड आई डू ओवरशेयर बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, आई एम अ बिग यापर, आई एम अ बिग यापर, सो आई लव टॉकिंग टू पीपल एंड sometimes people might not be interested but I just don't care, I just yap because the more I talk to people I get to learn from their experiences again. So जितने लोग, एंड ऐसी इतनी बड़ी सोशल सर्कल नहीं है मेरी जो लोग बोलते हैं कि शिवांगी दी ये बच्चे रात को 1 बजे भी कॉल कर रही थी, ब्रेकअप हो गया सब, तो it's because of a reason, because I have this habit of yapping, not unprofessional but हाँ serious setting में भी I do not care, if I want to talk I talk. Nice.
Okay, so the next question is, what's the most unexpected thing that MUN has taught you about people? That's a good
Never
question.
trust them. I am sorry, but saying it because you know the MN circuit has become really competitive, and I am being brutally honest here. I do not lie. Of course, I won't lie on a podcast because that is meant for people to hear and listen and gain experiences from. So MUNs में what I have learned is कि people would be supportive to you, people would work with you, even I take it for this thing in my mind कि मेरे साथ तब तक ही लोग हैं जब तक उनको दिख रहा है कि I'll be able to do something.
Definitely.
People do not support failures. Yeah,
Nobody does.
Right. People will not back people who, might fail or might go down the drain. They wouldn't. So MUN Circuit also gave me very, very precious relationships in my life. I mean, I have Gunika and Sarthak because of it. Sarthak might be the chief advisor, Gunika might be the co-founder. But
Firstly, they are your friends.
Gunika is my friend and Sarthak is my brother. So any day, that is what I mean. Ki I have got really, really nice relationships from the circuit. But again, besides, if I leave out on my team, I do not trust anyone in the circuit because there's a difference between healthy competition and pulling down people to get your way. Healthy competition होता है तो आप दूसरों से ideas लेते हो, दूसरों से discuss करते हो, या MUN circuit को overall कैसे improve करना है, सारे private conferences को क्या कुछ specific guidelines follow करनी चाहिए, जिससे food की quality बने रहे, delegates के experience बने रहे, उनको मन करे MUN में delegate करने का, ये नहीं कि गंदे experiences की वजह से बच्चे delegate करने छोड़ दें, तो that would be healthy competition. But लोग क्या करते हैं कि मेरी कॉन्फ्रेंस बेस्ट होनी चाहिए, मेरी कॉन्फ्रेंस बेस्ट होनी चाहिए.
I've seen that.
Right, and they just start pulling each other down, and that is very degrading, very degrading. I do not associate with that. I hate that thing. So one thing that MUN Circuit has taught me that people are not always going to stand beside you. They are going to do so till the time you are strong, you are honest, and people know that you're going to succeed. So I do not expect a lot of people to back me up if someday, even TYF does not work out. And if TYF goes into loss, I know that I'll have very, very few people who are going to back. Of course, I'm not going to put it on my team.
Definitely.
Any loss, anything happens, has to go to my core team, has to go to my friends and me. So that is the thing. That MUN Circuit does teach you a lot, but this is one personal thing that they teach you. That this is how life works.
You have to keep yourself to that level ताकि लोग तुम पे
ट्रस्ट
rely कर सके,
करे.
rely कर सके.
इफ माय टीम वर्क्स फॉर मी या इतने बच्चे काम कर रहे मेरे साथ, तो इसलिए क्योंकि उनको पता होता है कि हाँ शिवांगी दी कुछ करेंगी. They have that trust in me. अगर मेरे में sincerity ना दिखे, मेरे में discipline ना दिखे. Exactly. So the more you guys work, अभी आगे you guys are going to have the baton of the future conferences. We are going to leave the circuit in like few months because academic commitments and everything. But I know कि I will train my juniors enough. I call them more of my brothers and sisters. कि they know कि actual quality क्या होती है and वो उस पे काम करता है. तो that is not going to happen till the time they trust me. So MUN Circuit teaches you two things. Number one, do not trust people blindly, and number two, build yourself up. Because until and unless you are strong, you're not going to have a very strong team.
Very strong.
Right. That is.
Excellent. Okay, Shivangi Didi, rapid fire. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So my first question to you is, one college habit you wish you really could get rid of?
Not eating during the college hours.
MUN or College Fest?
MUN.
One career myth students really need to stop believing.
कि IIT, UPSC और NEET के अलावा और कोई करियर नहीं होता.
आप UPSC कर रहे हो?
हाँ पता है, but I did it because I wanted to do it.
Okay. Describe your past relations in a movie title. जल्दी.
सब गोलमाल है.
Okay. If your love life had a playlist, what would be the name of the breakup song?
खड़ा हूँ आज भी वही.
If not political science, what would you be studying?
Oh, that is a nice question. Maybe either international law, music or theatre.
Okay. Spicy question. Ever got feelings for a fellow delegate or executive board member?
Why did you have to bring that up?
Yes or no? Simple question.
For a fellow secretary to member.
Oh my god, okay. Okay, last question. Late night productivity or early morning hustle?
Prefer early morning hustle, but I am a late night owl. So, yeah.
Okay, so that was it. I'll wrap it up. Thank you so much, Shivangi Didi, for being here. It was a pleasure meeting you, honestly.
Thank you so much. I am so proud of you.
This is your host, Rachit, signing off. And remember, keep questioning, keep thinking. And also, never underestimate your voice because
It does
matter.
matter.